In this video, I will show you how to organize a content calendar in ClickUp. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Once you're in ClickUp, go to your space and select the three dots. Select Create New Folder. We are going to name this Content Calendar. Once you have created your new folder, go to it and select the three dots again and create a list. We are going to name this list YouTube. You are then going to add tasks for this list. Once you have completed creating your tasks, you then can add an assignee or a due date or set the priority. You can then go to Calendar View and you can select Filter, and we want to see all our due dates. You will now see all your upcoming tasks. If you would like to change the date, simply select it and drag it to your desired date. And if you need to share this calendar with other people, go to the right and simply select Share. You can invite them by name or email. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.